Fred and I are going to walk over to the Gulfstream and take a look.
Bye! We're coming. Bye-bye.
You can operate it.
Bro, it's been 3 years I haven't touched it.
It's alright, I never touched it. I can fly it, no problem.
Everything running. Put the power up, you can fly it. That I believe in you.
Yeah.
But to operate it properly, like turn everything on. Can I sit? I want to check if I can still see.
Yeah.
Are you guys leaving?
Alright.
Are you leaving?
No,
No?
just
Wheel well? You want lights on wheel well?
Yeah.
yeah.
A little better avionics than what we've got.
So how do you here? That's how I fly this plane before.
Yeah. Flight path vector. I'll make the screen bigger and not have all this crap on it. Instead of having this, all this stuff.
Yeah, you can change everything there.
I like that better. That's good.
Okay. HSI, ABI. Click it.
You push in on it?
Yeah, you have to point first. Point where you. Where's your cursor?
I don't know. I've never been in this thing.
No, you have to. There.
Oh, hit
you
4.
have to change the
Oh, I see.
page you are, because you're somewhere here in my page.
I see. Oh, that's 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
I
The only
see.
thing you can touch is not.
No, it touches you one. So
Yeah.
you can't touch mine, I can't touch yours.
your
I
thing.
see.
But we both can touch this.
Yeah, okay. That makes sense. So then you click it and do what?
Yeah, click. For example, I want to touch this, click it. I want to put.
Click what?
Here.
Oh, the trigger.
There's a clicker. It's not VTT, it's a clicker. And
Ah.
then you scroll what you want. Waypoint.
Oh, okay.
Engine star, whatever. Video. We usually put the video here, like video here. And then on the video page, you can do up camera. What I usually do when I'm flying is do the EBS, which is, as of now, it's off.
Yeah, because the...
EBS should be... Have a guess. Ipon! Shit! I don't even know where the EBS switch is now. I put the video on EBS, it's off. EBS should be...
It's there and there in your
here, where?
sensor.
Oh yeah, sensor. No, this I control only.
The
IFF, PRS,
no.
HUD.
Had. Then you
Yeah, there's your
click
good.
here.
EBS.
Yes.
Ah.
Now it will take you 2 minutes or 3 minutes before
Yeah,
power
something
off.
like that.
Ah, it's coming on.
That's coming on, but it will take a while.
Man, you're too old, man.
Yeah,
you
we
don't
forget.
even remember that
Yeah,
one.
for 3 years. I'm not touching this. 3 years.
Only 3 years.
Yeah.
No, I don't even know.
I haven't touched the Learjet in 4 years. I don't think I can remember how to do it.
You don't know how to do it because you don't know.
Yeah, that's right.
And then here you can do actually, if you want, actually you can do checklist by one click right there. And first you go to the normal, you click it, disclaimer, accept it, checklist complete. And then before start checklist, reply check. Every time you click it
just goes down.
And it's recorded in the main memory of the plane.
Yeah.
So they know when you fly, once you gear up and you do the checklist, they record it. So you cannot hide.
I see.
So yeah, click, something like that. But show checklist, normal, you can.
This would take a little while to get used to, but it's kind of cool.
This is cool. This also here. For example, I'm here. Even the map, like map, video and everything. And even if you like that.
What does this do? What is this?
No, if you're a map,
What does that do?
See, you can.
Oh, you scroll around.
Scroll in. See.
So I would hit 3, and then I can. Oh, okay, I see. See how that works? That's pretty cool.
And for example, you click in something like Let's see. Battle machine. Hurry. Go there. So, like for example, you get
Yeah.
click it. You can have the departure, arrival, blah 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 blah. Show info. See, lifeline general, and then you can go to communication. And for example, you want to click this, tune COM1. You can.
It'll tune it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fancy stuff. Fancy.
See, it went to 11975.
Oh,
You
the
can
cabin show.
Just turn off because this thing overheat.
What overheats?
No, it will overheat.
Oh yeah.
And we're not flying for a long period of time. It will.
Oh, he's tearing up the inside.
Shut down, you know.
Yeah.
It will not do anything once it's overheated.
You're tearing it up, man.
Oh, what are you doing?
Just fix the window.
Yeah.
Fix the
Oh,
window
it's
shade.
going up and down again?
Yeah.
Bathroom. This is one nice thing about this airplane. You can get to the luggage in flight. It's pretty cool. Too short for me though.